Hit him in his top, he feeling woozy, getting dizzy. Really getting busy in my city, they told glizzies. Man, I feel like Drizzy, when I'm gone, I hope they miss me. I know my brother Trey, he up in heaven getting litty.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and welcome to the channel. Now, you can tell by the title, I went to a car meet last night. I didn't give no intro last night because I just went. I'm like, it's a car meet, so let's go see what's up. But y'all see what happened, bro. It was wild. It was wild. Whole bunch of every fast car. A demon pulled up. I don't even know if I got it on record. I gotta see. If I don't, I know Nell probably did. I gotta see though. But a demon pulled up. A track hawk in the RDRS raced. Put some money up. The track hawk lost. A lot. We done went to a couple spots, had to change locations. I had to run. I probably ran the fastest 40 in all 40s. I probably run a 2 flat, 1 flat with the Crocs on in sport mode, sport plus though. Not sport, no, my bad, track mode. With the traction on though. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all get into the video, man. I'm gonna shut up. We got a Mustang right here. This is a 300, Hemi 300. I mean, they say Hemi, but I don't know how much truth is into that. Got my boy Nell with me. They got a Vet, Audi. I don't know what Audi it is, but I like cars. I'm not a car head though. You ask me about some shoes, I'll tell you what it is. They got 3 LT1s lined up. See, got that big boom. Got that boom boom. Mine over there. What else they got? Oh, this another Camaro pulling up. Oh yes sir. Camaro pulling up. They got the Sketty. Couple BMWs. SRT neon though, like. That's what I think. What's the point? Look at that. Oh yeah, McLaren. I can't even. How I'm not gonna show them the McLaren first? Gotta go show y'all the McLaren. I know about that. Why they got this right here? Don't know. They got another Camaro over there. See the McLaren right here. Sick. Pretty. With the orange on it. The McLaren's so nice. Woo. That McLaren hard. If I see something else, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. What is it, an RT? I think so. I think that's an RT. I think. I don't know. That's a Honda. That bitch pulling in. I don't think it's another neon. Yeah, that's an RT. You got a 345 on there. Ooh, I need to see Chadley. You hear the whine? Woo. Hold on, let me get him. Yes, sir. Bro, you hear the whine though? That shit crazy. They're trying to kick us out. Saying we can't be here. Hey, y'all remember him in my last video? The car tour? He said we couldn't do that shit. I burnt out over there. Shelly family.
Shut the fuck up! Guys, gotta go.
So we gotta go. Why they say we gotta go?
This is where you park for the side pickup. Everybody say that.
Hey, Nell. Shaker, shaker. Oh, that's a Hemi. Calling the cops. Hey, if they come, you already know what time it is. You know what it is. They can't catch everybody. Shit, they can't catch nobody. Oh, I think I was about to say. Huh? Okay, there we go. I want all the smoke tonight. 12 mile, yeah.
Oh man, this bitch. Oh my God, GTR. Oh shit. You better hold on. Shit. Ding wide body. I ain't gonna, this bitch booming. This bitch booming like that. Turned off. Hey, nigga, they tweaking, nigga. I swear to God. Hey, nigga, you gonna be on that bitch. And they tweaking, I swear to God. We about to haircut, nigga. Word. Oh, fuck them niggas, nigga. They ain't gonna do shit to us, nigga. We good, nigga. I know, look. I got it already. I got it. Look, you gonna be on that bitch, remember? I know we good. I know, we got it. Hey, we got it. They not stopping everybody. They not stopping everybody. Deuces! Goofies! What up? Yeah, nigga, what up? What up, pussy? Oh yeah, pussy! Oh yeah, nigga! Oh yeah, nigga! Oh shit! Alright, come on, we good, we here. Yeah, on me. Niggas pussy? Come on now, that nigga pussy. Oh shit. Don't want that shit. Yeah, you really don't want it, nigga. What up, nigga? Come on, man, we hawk shit, nigga. We hawk shit. Don't stop, now, nigga. Come on, nigga. Don't stop, nigga. Come on, bro. Hold on, nigga.
She want to stop at 500. She want to stop at 500. Who? Jenny? You got 500?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see it right now.
I will get it in the car.
Go get it right now.
They play some bets.
I need to know who's betting first.
Hey, who you want to stop at?
They play some bets. They got races going. Man, I got y'all with the content. You hear?
Oh, no, that race is shake.
Huh? No, I'm just saying it's getting like that. It's getting like that, nigga.
Hey, he said he wanted to do 500 right after. He said he got a track hawk. He want to do 500 right after. 500? All right.
They putting a trackie up?
Issa, wait. I'm charging 10% for promotions. 5% for promotions. This shit's not free. I'm putting all this shit together. Come on, now. What the fuck's going on? Follow me on Instagram, big underscore.
Open your hand. I got you. Here's your 5%.
Follow me on Instagram, big underscore dev underscore 1 WON. You feel me? Type shit. Follow me on the gram. This shit is not free. Big dev promotions. Hey, don't follow him. Who said? Yo, man. Hey! Yo, man. I bet you. Man.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Man, fuck these whole ass niggas, weak ass. Oh, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Go that way. But they leave that way. That's how you do it. Get the fuck. Go with the chalice. Yeah. Hold on, let me put my damn seatbelt on. I ain't gonna lie. You tweaking, my man, with the GTI. He got the skid. I ain't gonna lie. You might have concert for days, nigga. Damn, bro, look at this fucking, bro. You can't be fucking serious, bro. Dog, bro, then look at the cat, bro. I gotta zoom in on
I can't believe a fucking demon pulled up, bro.
Hold on, watch over here, real quick.
Nigga, I gotta see.
Oh my God, bro.
Next view.
Oh, we good. This is what life is. Good. Then got the charger right here too. Damn! Be careful.
I think you're ready to go.
Oh, I gotta remember about. Oh! Everybody worry about you, fuck, bitch. You ain't catching shit over here, nigga.
We about to have on the freeway?
Hell yeah, it's game time,
shit.
nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, you got to. Look. Hey, don't chase, boys. Don't chase, boys. Come on, man. Turn the fuck up to this bitch. Woo-wee!
All right, y'all. I'm gonna leave it off right here. I'm gonna end it off right here. Cause really the main thing, not really the main thing. I showed y'all everything, but the rest of all of the other clips is everybody just like driving on the freeway. I didn't get the race, but like I said, the Audi won. I didn't get the race because they raced so damn fast. We got to this one spot. I don't know where it was at. Somewhere in Mexico. I had to run it because the boys kept coming. So the spot was open. Ran that bitch. Won. Went back to the location. They exchanged the cheese that dog won. And that was it for the rest of the night. So if you enjoyed the video, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more content like this because I'm gonna try to stay updated on what's going on with that little scenery. But hit the subscribe button, like I said, like, share, run it up.